You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce this word. For more vocabulary, stay tuned, we've got many more videos for you here. Lazy. Let's break it down into syllables. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Lay, yes, it's not la, it's not lazy. Lazy, stress on the first syllable on this lay syllable. Listen carefully one last time how to pronounce in English. Lazy, lazy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.